Hello viewers, presenting a nice family dinner with fried rice. Actually, this fried rice has all the good things. Beefy beef, eggy egg, vegetable, umami flavor, fried rice. So welcome to my channel. So let's start. We'll show you how to make beef fried rice. These are the ingredients I'm gonna use: bok choy, carrot, spring onion, green chili, lemon, garlic. Using a grater, I already grate the carrot. This is very helpful. Any size I can make it using this. This very thin slice, so it will boil quickly. I cut the bok choy. This is the spring onion, minced garlic, sliced chili, and the white part of the spring onion. These are the ground beef, bought it from super shop. 1 pound. Washed it, strained the water, you can see, and I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Okay, now adding 1 tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon garlic paste, and the secret ingredients is fish sauce. I am always looking for new ways to make fried rice, and I am eating every week. Chili sauce, this is sweet chili sauce. Squeezed lemon, I'm gonna use 2 slices of lemon. So you are going to get sweet, sour, and a spicy flavor. Salt to taste. Recipe link is given in my description box. Please check. Chili powder. It depends on your taste, but I like a spicy flavor and also sweet and sour taste. Now this spoon, mix them very well. So I'm adding all the flavors here, and now I will cook. But first I have to fry the egg. Within this time, using a rice cooker, I cooked rice. 2.5 cup rice is enough for my family. So before, I will fry the egg and will cut it. For fried rice, I must need egg. In a pan, little oil. I need even thickness. My kids love this fried rice. And when I cut the eggs into pieces and I spread it on the top of the fried rice, they liked it so much. They have no objection. They like to eat this type of fried rice. I like this cube shape. So I'm taking it out in a bowl. Now the main cooking in a pan, adding oil, garlic sliced, spring onion, I don't want to fry it and make it brown, I just want to soften it. Chili, add extra flavor. Now I'm gonna add my beef, ground beef. No need any marination. Directly adding this and I will cook it just 15 minutes. Before adding rice, I have to cook it very well. Now adding the shredded carrot. So this will add the flavor. No water is needed. I will wait 15 minutes. I'm using medium heat here. I want to cook the beef slowly. So you see, after 15 minutes, now I will add the bok choy. I keep some spring onion for garnishing. I don't want to cook the green vegetables so much. This is why I'm gonna add it at the end of my cooking. Little stirring. You see the color? Very nice. The green color, orange color of the carrot. Oh, it's gonna roll, my friend. So I am the chef here in my kitchen. We'll wait 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to add the rice, cooked rice. Beef is done, so I'm gonna just mix in it. Proper mixing is necessary. All the flavors already added. I used medium low heat in this moment. There is a very beautiful base of flavors here. Little spicy, beef flavor, egg flavor, and that's what I need right now. I have to taste salt. Perfect. I always find and like any kind of fried rice. So my friend, I'm decorating it like this. Egg slice on top. And this one is very good looking fried rice here. Spring onion on top. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question and comment, pop them below and hit bell button so you will always get notified about my new video. Thanks guys.